I'm extremely happy, excited, and feeling blessed to get my hands on this shoe. I've been following this project for since the beginning of the year, and this project led to a shoe that is literal trash. This is a Nike Space Hippie 01, and it's made of recycled materials. This midsole right here is called Crater Foam. It has shreds and bits and pieces of other soles and rubber they added and integrated into the actual sole. The bottom is like shark teeth right here that exposes the Zoom Fly scraps they put together for, I guess, for the energy return or for the actual midsole. And the same to go for the insoles. And it's honestly really cushiony, has a good energy return. And I'd compare this to the Boost. I like this a lot. Immediately out of the box, it's really light. And there's a lot of spongy, like, energy. I don't know how to explain it. A lot of sponginess. Same feeling I got when I first tried on like a pair of Ultra Boosts. This Flyknit material right here is actually called Space Yarns, made of recycled t-shirts and plastic water bottles and stuff of that nature. And it's honestly pretty comfortable. It forms your foot well. You got a bunch of accents like this stitched on swoosh, but instead of being like printed or anything, it's actually like embroidered into the actual space yarn. You got Nike on the pull tab. On the bottom it says 01 for the model number, since this is the first iteration of the shoe. Multicolored laces with plastic on it and stuff. Other details like the little move to zero symbol right here. I don't know if you can catch that. Right there. It's really cool. This Flyknit material is actually not dyed. This is the natural color that they got from basically recycling materials, and they stuck with it. It's kind of hard to see. I was trying to see if I can get some shots, but there's like little speckles of like blue and red, and I guess this is just the natural color that came out, and they just stuck with it, which I really like. I think it complements the multicolored laces as well with the orange swoosh. And these are honestly one of my favorite pickups of the year. These come out July 3rd for US release on Sneakers app. Glad I had my hands on a pair early. And honestly, one of my favorite in my rotation right now, honestly. I've only worn these once. Undead stocked them today for this video for you guys. And honestly, I can say that it's incredible. I'm a huge fan of this, huge fan of the whole project. Probably gonna take an L tomorrow. But Nike Space Hippie. Box that Space Hippies comes in is a reseller's absolute nightmare because they come shipped from Nike in this actual shoe box. So I'm a 10.5, and thankfully I got from GOAT, so this was double box, so no one could actually see it. That is something that people are concerned about. But the inside is printed with eco-friendly plant-based ink of some nature. It says Space Hippie. Comes with the Space Hippie tote, which I assume is also made from recycled materials because there is different spotting in here as well. Pretty cool. Nike Space Hippie. So Nike Space Hippie 01, 02, 03. I don't know if they left 04 out because it was after they made these or whatever, but a quick review of the Nike Space Hippie 01. My favorite model of the 4 to be dropping. It's gonna be a very limited release. And as of today, I saw rumored pairs of a different Vault colorway coming out in Japan. So look out for that as well. But like I said, if you like the shoe, you can get your hands on it. I would definitely recommend pulling the trigger. I can see these becoming a very sought after sneaker in the future. The creativity and execution of the sneaker is absolutely phenomenal. I'm in love. That's gonna be it for today. Thank you all for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace.